Alright guys, in the second video we're going to unbox the Apeman A79. Also very well regarded and very well reviewed on Amazon, so let's just dive right in. Alright, so let's just dive right into the Apeman A79, and I just love this name. Apeman, that's just so good. So with the Apeman you can do a time lapse, external mic which is super cool, timer and Wi-Fi control, 40 meters waterproof, 2-inch LCD as well, 20 megapixels, 4K Ultra HD. We'll see at what frame rate, because the Akaso also said 4K, but it was only at 25 FPS. So let's open her up. Wow. This is what you get in the box. You get the Apeman, some paperwork, and you get the accessories. So let's see what is in the accessories box. Handlebar mount, some sticky pads, a strap, a tripod adapter, some zip ties, a little safety wire with extra sticky pads, a shirt clip. I think these might be the exact same accessories as the Akaso. At least it's the exact same remote. Wait, where's the charger? Oh, that's kind of a bummer. Alright, so here are most of the accessories you get with the Apeman A79. And right off the bat, I don't see an external charger for these, which is kind of a bummer. But they do kind of look similar to the Akaso batteries. Before we take that off. No, they are similar. They have the same pinout. But the Apemans are a perfect square while the Akasos are rounded. Though, let's just see. Well, they use the same. That is an 8-man battery in this Akaso, so though the batteries are slightly different, they work interchangeably. So if you're gonna buy a couple of these, that's actually kind of nice, but kind of concerning. This is the exact same remote as you get with some other brands, and a wireless huge lav mic. It's interesting, and a ton of adapters. Same clip for like backpacks and stuff. A spare back. Enough faffing around. Let's look at the Akaso. No, which one's this one? The Apeman. I do like that. So with the Apeman, you can't actually open it until you pull this little lever. So it has a micro USB, HDMI, and a micro SD card. And there's the microphone port. It is a mono, maybe it's stereo, I'll double check. 2.5 mil. I like how on the Apeman you have to pull this little lever for the battery door to pop off, so it should be more secure. Let's power up. Okay, let's not power up. Maybe this battery's dead. Uh-oh. That is... Huh. I turned on the Akaso. Oh! That was weird. I was about to plug it in, and it powered up. So also not a very great display. A lot of off-axis color changing. It says 3 bars of battery. Alright, so on the Apeman you can do 4K 30, 2.7K 30, 1080p 60, and 1080p 30, and 720p 120. So maybe some slow-mo. EIS is in-body stabilization, aka electronic image stabilization. Let's look. On or off are the only 2 settings. So with the Apeman, in the 3 bar setting, in the menu, you can actually adjust the volume, beep, exposure, just like the Akaso, but you can also do the white balance, ISO, and effect, which is kind of like a filter. You can also adjust the contrast, the saturation and the sharpness, which is actually really nice. I am interested to see what car mode does. Upside down, screensaver, format. Alright, let's record. The black seemed really dark. There's my Zoom F4, there's the monitor, there's the G9. Now let's see how the auto, oh, that's pretty quick. Let's look at me, let's see how that looks. And how that sounds, because the Akaso did not sound very good. I will also definitely be trying the little lav mic. So now you're hearing me through the lav mic that is included with the Apeman. I think that's a kind of nice feature to include, but I don't know if it's strictly necessary. But if you're going to be vlogging, which I think they're intending you to do with this Apeman, it's kind of a nice feature. Alright guys, so this is the Apeman round out, and honestly I just looked at the video. It looks very good for $50, and the mic doesn't even sound that bad.